Yes.
Still an amateur. But I hope you understand,
Okay.
right?
Yes, I'm getting you.
Okay. So we proceed to string operators. So string operators in PHP, we use them to act or to operate on two different strings. Okay, so we use a dot to join two strings, and we use dot equal to join on the same string. So if I want to join a value in a certain string, I can use just dot equal to. So let us see what we mean. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy these string operators and then come and save a file, go to Shift S and save as a new file, and I'll save this one as file number 10, and then I'll come and change this one to string operators.php. So I'm going to delete everything here, and I'm going to open my file. As you can see, there is nothing. So what we're going to do, I'm going to create the, I can say name1 is equal to Muhindo, and name2 is equal to Mubarak. So I'm going to concatenate these two, or I'm going to make some operation on these two. Okay, so I can say $, full name is equal to, so I'll get the name1 and concatenate. Let me put space here the second. Let me put some space, that it should have some space, otherwise they will be combined together. Okay, so to concatenate name1 is name2, I'll just put dot what, dot name2. Okay, so what's going to happen here is going to join this with this. So we use a dot to join, to concatenate two values. So let us print this full name. So to print the full name, I'll simply say echo full name. So it's going to get the first name and join it with the second name using this concatenation, and then print for us the full name. Let's go and see. You can see full name is Muhindo Mubarak. But you can see initially these things were done what? Were separated. We can as well, so another way of doing this, so there's another concatenation here that you're seeing, dot equal to. So dot equal to, it will get the certain value and replace it with its original value. Can you see? It will append. You know the meaning of append. It will be just added on. So I can say name1 dot equal to name2. So what will happen, it will get the name1 itself and add their name2. So let me print now the full name, the whole name. So if I come and refresh, you can see it's exactly the same. So that's how we append a certain string on the other. So you have just appended. We just use this dot equal to sign. So that's all about string operators. So you come to array operators. Array operators, you have